This video will provide an overview of functions and provide a quick start guide for Napoleon's REQ365 electric grill. One of the features of the REQ365 is its ability to be paired to a connected device to expand the cooking versatility through the Napoleon Home App. Begin by using your preferred connected device and download the Napoleon Home App from the App Store or Play Store. A QR code link is provided in the product manual to easily access the app. Once downloaded, complete the registration process to finalize your account. After downloading the Napoleon Home App and setting up your account, pair your grill to the app via Wi-Fi. Begin by opening the Napoleon Home App and selecting the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner to add a device. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled and the device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and press Begin. Next, press and hold the on-off button located on the appliance's control panel for 10 seconds. This initiates pairing mode, identified by the on-off switch fading in and out. Once the appliance is found, follow the prompts on screen to pair the connected device to the REQ365. The grill is now ready to be used. To turn on the grill, push the on-off switch on the left-hand side of the control panel. Before any cooking can begin, you must run the grill on high for 30 minutes to remove internal paints and lubricants used in the manufacturing process. This process is called burn-off and is normal for the grill to emit a slight odor while on. It's important to remove all accessories from the grill before initiating clean mode. Once accessories are removed, select clean mode on the display screen and turn the right knob to select 30 minutes and push the knob in. After burn-off, allow the grill to cool, then brush off the cooking grids and wipe them down with a damp cloth. The burner does not need to be wiped off after burn-off. Once burn-off is completed, you will need to season your cast iron cooking grids. For directions on how to do this, see the link in the description. When using cook mode on the grill, it's advised to preheat it for 20 minutes or a minimum of 500 degrees Fahrenheit before adding food. Once preheated, the REQ365 offers a cook mode, oven mode, smoker mode, and cleaning mode for a wide range of cooking versatility. When in any of the modes, a summary button will be present to display the current mode, appliance temperature, and probe temperature if probes are in use. To exit the summary mode, press the previous button on the display or push the left knob to navigate back to the previous menu. Regardless of what screen you are on, pushing in either of the knobs will offer the same functionality as the buttons identified in the upper corners. Opening the REQ365 from the Napoleon Home App quickly provides a summary of the timer, probe temps, mode, individual burner settings, and offers the ability to turn the grill off. This also allows you to easily view and update the mode you're in to monitor and adjust the grill's operation once set on the display or knobs. It's important to know that the grill cannot be turned on with a connected device, and this must be done on the control panel. Cook mode allows the ability to adjust the electric burners individually like the burners on a traditional gas grill. This can be accessed on the home page on the display screen by tapping the cook button or using the right knob to select the mode in blue, then pushed in to select it. In cook mode, the control knobs can be rotated to set the temperature on each side of the grill from 0, which is off, to 10, which is high. Pushing the left knob while in any of the modes will navigate back to the home page. Oven mode allows the grill to operate as a traditional kitchen oven, accurately maintaining an overall temperature inside the grill. This can be accessed on the home page of the display screen by tapping the oven button or using the right knob to select the mode in blue, then pushed in to select it. In oven mode, the right knob can be rotated to adjust the temperature of the grill. Once the desired temperature is shown, the right knob can be pushed in to start or stop oven mode. Selecting the plus or minus buttons when in any of the modes will offer adjustment of the temperature by 5 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Fahrenheit. The smoker mode turns both burners on high for 6 minutes to ignite the wood chips, then allows the use of the right burner to maintain the smoke level, while the left burner allows accurate adjustment of the internal temperature of the grill. It's important to ensure the smoker box is only used on the right side of the grill, as this burner is designed to ensure the correct temperature for smoking. Smoker mode can be accessed on the home page of the display screen by tapping the smoker button, or using the right knob to select the mode in blue, then pushing in to select it. The right knob will adjust the smoke level from off to low or high. The left control knob can be rotated to set the temperature from 200 Fahrenheit to 280 Fahrenheit. Pushing the right knob in will start or stop smoker mode as desired. Before cooking, it may be desired to use the equipped temperature probes to gauge the internal temperature of the food. To use the probes, insert the tips into the thickest portion of the food, avoiding bones and fat to get an accurate reading of the internal temperature of the food. The opposite end of the temperature probes connect to the underside of the control panel. To read the temperature of the probes during a cook, go into the mode menu and select the summary button where the info will appear on the display. The connected device will show the current probe temps and will offer the option to select target temperatures for the probes to reach to ensure food is cooked to perfection. To clean the probes, use warm soapy water and avoid submerging them or placing them in a dishwasher. When not in use, unplug the temperature probes and store them indoors to prevent exposure to the elements. The grill also hosts a built-in timer function to help track cooking time. This can be accessed on the home page of the display screen by tapping the timer button or using the right knob to select the mode in blue, then push the knob in to select it. In the timer, the right knob can be rotated to select the number of minutes from 0 to 59, and the left knob can be rotated to select the number of hours from 0 to 9. Pushing the right knob in starts the timer and returns the display to the home page, while pushing the left knob while in the timer will cancel it and return to the main menu. Clean mode is used to clean the cooking grids and burners. During this, the appliance will reach the maximum input power for the selected amount of time. It can be accessed on the home page of the display screen by tapping the Clean button, or using the right knob to select the mode in blue, then pushing the knob in to select it. In clean mode, the right knob can be rotated to select the length of time the mode will be operating, from 10 to 30 minutes. Pushing the right knob in starts or stops clean mode. Pushing the left knob will return the screen to the home page while clean mode is still operating. Ensure no food or cooking utensils are on the grill when initiating clean mode to avoid damage. It is suggested to use clean mode after each cook to maintain performance for the best cooking experience. The grill detects excessive temperatures outside of a typical or recommended range in order to prevent overcooking. If the internal temperature exceeds 850 degrees Fahrenheit, the screen will display a warning notification to the user. Once initiated, the operator will have 10 seconds to accept the warning statement, or the appliance will turn off entirely, displaying a notification that the unit was turned off and must be restarted to resume operation if desired. Check the links in the description for more videos on the REQ365. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.